Every wall I ever built came crumbling down before. But your hand inside of mine feels like bedrock, something more. This ain't written on the wind.
Okay, Sanmurani Kaya, Kamalambu MK. It's another episode. Basically, it's the first episode, DSAB, on 2026. A brief explanation is here about ISABI. ISABI, ngama abbreviations basically, or abbreviation of the words creatives, innovators, business people, kunye nama entrepreneurs. Yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, we are speaking, or you are talking with artists as well. We are talking nama athletes. Like, for as long there's anything that you're doing in a creative space. Yabo. Yeah. So this is a platform that we've created to Guti Sizokhona Guti Sini introduce and try by all means bangabas promote Ispansenu, guys, or create a platform where you're going to promote Ispansenu. So ngingamoshanga anything ngifuna ukwelcome recruitment eBlomi ecaleni kwami. We call him Wonder Boy Magic. Yeah, abantu abamaziyo they call him Izombie. Of which we're going to get to that. Bakahle why Izombie? Yabo. Mara, let's go kuma basics. Umnandi tayam.
Ndiyabulela Brahman, it's nice meeting you.
Yeah, no, first of all, inkosi man ngokushayela around kayifandaka. Yabo. I know ba recruitment anokuba busy kakhulu, especially no lilanga le weekend. So you'll never know. Sinini ungathi uzama ukuringa umjida bambukile somewhere awukhona ukumthola. But then we appreciate ukuthi niyakhona ukuthi nisprioritize bafethu masengicela ukuthi nizakale.
Second touch.
Yeah, ne.
He's my blood, by the way.
Sure. Itayam. Let's actually go back to our basics. Yabo. Kahle. Before by Rap Zombie, Wonder Boy Magic kahle ngibani, because ndicave ngalo lo gama. Yabo. Ungubani? Ubuya phi kanjani? What are you representing kahle?
Okay. I would like to thank MK for this platform.
Yeah.
And pay honor, because ekasi, like, we barely find abantu abafana naye aba like creative minded and aba business minded per se, because it's been a while like in the game. But back to the question yakhe, my name is Mawande, surname Mabengwana, Diphaya ecala kuZikhonkwane ilali. Nami ndisuke kulamhlaba wase-Eastern Cape ndizozama impilo phi eJohannesburg.
Sure.
That's how mina ngihlangane nabanye abantu abaninzi. Like my upbringing and stuff, like from esikolweni and all that, up until ndi reach this new being that I am, because I think I've transformed through, teenage stage to adulthood.
Okay. Yeah.
So basically, yeah, I think ndingulowo mntu lowo, and I respect abantu, hence I'm here. Respecte ikhotman yami apha ecaleni ukuthi ndihloniphe ispan sakhe, yabo. Nami ndifuna ushowcase esami ispan, so sure, that's what's up.
Yeah. Wenza ntoni? You are an artist. We are rapper, we poet, we painter, we are sketcher. Wenzani kahle?
Okay, wow, that's a great question. Mna ndiqale as what is it, a writer, but ndibhala nje ndinganakanga, because I used to write ama raps wabanye abantu, you know, started there. And then my older brother, he was doing arts, so I told myself, oh, okay, this brother of mine is doing art, so maybe it's something like, it's a bloodline thing, because he's doing art, so I might as well do art. So I venture into arts, which is creative arts of, you know, using a pencil, draw, qale apho into esikolweni uyadrawa makukhona lenduka homework abantu bacele ndibadrawele drawe ngapha ndiyabhala, you know, because ukubhala mna it was like isegazini ndayideng, so i-arts nje ibisegazini, but idayideng i-arts le yokudrawa, sculpture, you know, creating something that has never been created before.
Sure.
Isuke kwinto zodlala imoto zamacingo yabo. Back in the days thina saqala salentuka sa driver amatye uthola ibrick somewhere bekokhiwa indlu or something then kushiyeke ezo stenanyana yeah uthatha i-face brick ibe ngathi uqhuba imoto or something. So that thing as time goes on, like it grew in me. Then I developed something that has to do with the arts in general, which is I'm doing overall arts, because I'm not only focusing on by imbongi yesiba and then by art person whereby I can do things in sandla that are tangible, you know. I can also come up with new, like, you know, I innovate something like that has never been, you know, there before, because, you know, growing up it's been like hard for us, you know, abantu basekasi, so isolating yourself, you always come up with something creative. Mawuzivalele kulo room nyana or kulo mkhukhu thola space umagriza akekho dlala ibhola ubuye uhlale endlini, then mawuhlele endlini uyabhoreka dlala iTV black and white. Back in the days thina iTV sasibukela like ebusuku kakhulu because kwakunezitori ezimnandi ekseni, because sasithanda amapopayi. But thina kahle as art people, like we are like isolated kwabanye abantu, asifani, like I'm a spiritual being in a way yokuthi
Sure.
I'm not like you, man. Like izinto endizicreatayo mna, they has to do with like i-background yabantu abadala, you know, they guide me through whatever that is popping up kwingqondo yam, then I come up with it. Then loo nto leyo I make sure ukuthi it's tangible. That's why ndithi I started as I used to write ama-raps abo Mandoza, Mdu, abo Zola 7, yabona i-art ndiyithole da kwi-culture yasekasi, which is iKwaito.
Yeah.
So from
you
Kwaito,
mean you used to write ama-lyrics wengoma existayo already?
Yeah.
Because uzithandile mhlawumbe le ngoma kaMdu or kaZola.
yeah.
Okay,
So yeah, even now ndisenama-lyrics wabo ababantu like ndenzelo mntu ndinguye, because without lento kwiKwaito, hip hop yasekasi wouldn't be there. Like ngokubona kwami, i-art was like umnyango ozovulela amanye ama-channel when it comes to that street life.
True.
When you want to, you know, like what is it, uyibeke yabona icace, then irecordwe. You were influenced by iKwaito dog. You are lying if you are saying I got it from America. I didn't get it from America. Now I used to listen to abantu base America, then I wouldn't understand ukuthi bathini. Hence I went back to Kwaito. Okay, Kwaito is doing the same style but yet ngesintu. So the art yomculo doing hip hop, I got it from Kwaito, dog.
Okay.
Thanks to shout out to Zola 7, shout out to Mdu, shout out Mandoza, shout out to abo Bricks. Yeah, zonke zase Soweto mfethu, abo Mapaputsi. Yeah, you know, like Mzegezege. Yeah, they
Basically,
did.
you are mostly, okay, not bonke, but you are mostly influenced by abantu beKwaito, because so far uthetha kakhulu ngeKwaito more than hip hop yaka eMzansi, because according to you hip hop is founded by iKwaito mhlawumbi ukuthi mhlawumbe ama artists abaya that are now doing hip hop but derive from iKwaito or bafunde whatever bayifundile from iKwaito. That's what you were saying.
Actually, I mean the guys who are using Venek in terms of doing their arts.
Okay.
Yeah, Venek rap.
Even a rap, okay.
Yeah.
So why didn't you actually go for iKwaito? Why you chose hip hop? Like hip hop in Don Gwe.
Hish, man. Hey. If buza a question, maybe gum rapper, ne? Some of these rappers, they don't know ukuthi hip hop yaqala nini.
Okay.
Now I can tell you ukuthi hip hop inangaphi kulo nyaka.
Inangapi?
Hip hop ina 51 or 52 this year.
This year, okay.
Yeah. So mna hip hop dithatha as like a way of fighting your obstacles through music. Yeah. Because if it wasn't for hip hop and I wouldn't know abantu abanjengabo Tupac, abo B.I.G., abo the Wu-Tang Clan, abo Fat Joe,
Yeah.
abo Rick Ross. Rick Ross is a new age rapper. I'm talking about abo KRS-One, abo Big Pun, Big Punisher, Capital Punishment. I used to listen to those guys even though bengayazi English ukuthi enhleke uthini lo mjita, but back then I was at school. I was always learning ukuthi lo muntu uthi, even though I was dumb because I'm a Xhosa guy. Yeah, I'm from the rural areas yabo. Yeah, ngisuke eKasi, ngisuke emakhaya to eKasi. So I barely know isi lendu suburb. Maybe if benihlala esuburb yabo beningatsho ndithi hayi ndiyamazi ke uthi uTupac, uthi uBig, uthi ulendu ku KRS-One yabo, but I wouldn't understand. But you know what I like about music?
Sure.
They say music, one thing about music, when it hits you, you don't feel any pain. Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, so
Sure.
music is a universal language where you can understand it through a rhythm, because the word rap stands for rhythm and poetry. So you gotta understand ukuthi rap minani before you can go through ama lines wabo aba overseas. Okay, aba lapha eMzansi you might understand because bashama punchline nogo aketch, but the states they do ama punchlines adinga wena, especially the OGs bashaya amanye ama punchlines ekumele wena you must have at least sort of knowledge. I don't know whether you are a book reader, whether you like movies, whether you like you see, you are like observant in terms of street life. Yeah, that's when you're gonna, catch those lines abazibhalayo. But if you are not as streets as I am, you wouldn't get their lines. And hence I'm saying, I can put Tupac as number one with hip hop, because Tupac, he managed to break all the boundaries while he was still a young nigga.
Okay.
He was young, like, even if you can track back uchecke ukuthi ushone enangaphi. Lo muntu wazalwa ngo-1976 if I'm not mistaken. Washona ngo-94. By that time lo mjita lo ebena 25 if I'm not mistaken. So I've moved past 25, but I haven't accomplished into izinto uTupac aseke was accomplished. Tupac, he went to jail, and he was born at Danyana, because umamakhe andazi kwenzeka ntoni kodwa umamakhe wamzalela le eDanyana.
Okay.
So I know about who those people aban-inspireyo banikaya ne-influence kwabanye abantu ukuthi nami ndi-influence bona ukuthi i-background yabo iqale kanjani.
Okay.
So I know ukuthi okay, i-hip hop yasemzansi neyase-States, they relate because we are all blacks in that community of hip hop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Tayam, i-signature yakho wena ku-hip hop yeyiphi, yabo? Hip hop enjani le oyishayayo? Because obviously there's i-kinds ezibhaya ze-hip hop, but zonke eziyi-hip hop, yabona kunama-styles abhaya abantu abashaya ngawo u-hip hop, but at the end of the day yonke le nto leya i-hip hop, yabo?
Yeah.
Ngabantu abanjani that actually relate no-music wakho?
Man, that's a great question. In order for me to answer it, because it's a broad type of question, and then like hip hop yam fethu, I can say dithola kwigama lam. I'm Wonder Boy Magic. So la magic loa is something entleke eso, yabo, it just pop up kum, yabo, ukuthi do this, then I do it. It's something like a karma from my ancestors, man. Like I'm a true believer, you know. So if the ancestor yam ithi kum ndenze kanje, ndizokwenza ngolo hlobo. Whatever mna endinayo nesendisuka kuyo, ezinye izinto endiye ndahlangabezana nazo, amen, ndinokuphupha mfethu, yabo. So to me it's like magical thing engangeke nikwazi ukuyidescribe. It's doing the unthinkable. It's coming up with a new style, new innovation. Like no one has ever did what I'm doing, you know. Like I can track back kuba bonke abamrapper. I've got my own style, man. Rap Zombie. Zombie. Why Rap Zombie? Because mfethu eKasi you can see eKasi kugcwele abantu abaphuzayo. Lawo mna ndwaputha under me because I'm a zombie. Mna ndiyaphuza, and mase ndiphuzile there's a way, there's a way endamba ngayo indlela yami endamba ngayo bayabona ukuthi mani
Okay.
hey lizombi lo muntu like yabo ikona indlela endamba ngayo istyle sam sine indlela ethile. I used to watch horror movies a lot, hence I got that name of zombie. I was like, no, I'm different. A zombie, you hardly find a zombie anywhere. A zombie, if ndithi mina njengoba ndizombie kanje, I need more zombies. You know I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Why? Because I need them. Why do I need those? Because dine account yam endiyipushayo, I need zombies. Yabo? Dino MK apha ecala kwam, I need him. Yabo? So if I buy to MK uba lizombie. So whoever oye wathola something about my music or ove something ngomculo wami athi ndiyayithanda lento uzothi afikelele to a point yokuthi I'm a supporter of this guy.
Okay.
Yeah, not a fan. I don't like fans in a way, because MT, shout out to MT. MT told me, no, your fans are someone who can turn against you anytime, but a supporter. Even if that guy, he doesn't know you
Yeah.
in person, but he likes whatever that you are doing, that's a supporter, man.
Let's
Yeah.
take a short break, ne. Yeah, you are unpacking bakahle le rap zombie one.
Okay. Shout out.
Welcome back. Welcome back, Bafetu. Still with the rap zombie guy. Wonder Boy Magic. Damn. I get how the name came. Yeah, rap zombie. I get his style sakho. Say hip hop. You are saying that you are spiritual. Most abantu abamamela wena, it's people who are actually called for music wakho.
Yeah.
Hence you are saying ukuba direction ebhaya when it comes to what you should write about, how you should present music wakho is influenced by abantu abadala.
Yeah.
Yabo. That's very important. That's why ndingayilibelanga leyo part leyo.
Blessed.
Yeah,
man.
for some reason now I'm discovering ijourney yami yokwamkela abantu abadala or yokwamkela isintu, because ndingumuntu wesintu. But I grew up ngesonto.
Yeah.
Yabo. So mawukhule ngechurch, you are not doing izinto zesiko and all of that. So
Okay.
awubazi abantu bakokwenu and stuff. But then the journey is amazing so far. So that's why I didn't be interested when someone mentioned abantu abadala.
Yeah.
Yabo. Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, Tayam,
Yeah, man.
what's happening ngoku ku Rap Zombie? Are there any projects ezikhona mhlawumbe sipana ngazo, or zikhona iproject osewuzikhuphile? Kwenzeka ntoni?
Wow. Okay. Basically, last year, excuse guys, I'm not good when it comes to ubamba ma dates. ukuthi,
What
hey,
dates?
last year, did drop a intro EP, ne? Getting to introduce myself to you all guys. Dingban. Dashaya i-project ekuthiwa ndayi-uploada kahle kahle. I-project ekuthiwa i-free i-rap zombie, ne?
Okay.
But i-free zombie pack.
Free Zombie Pack.
Yeah. I-free zombie pack. Why? Okanye uzondibuza?
Yeah, I
Okay,
like Free Zombie
okay.
Pack. Yeah, I want bakahle kahle, what's with the Free Zombie Pack? Kwenzeka ntoni? Package nani ngaphakathi and stuff, or
Yeah.
is it
Okay. Free zombie pack, ne? Yayazi. Mna, I always like, I think I'm the first guy, or I don't know. Mara indlela engicinga ngayo. Whenever I drop a project that has to do with my like life or my journey, project yam has to like tell a story, yabo.
Sure.
Even the next project can be introduced through the first project. Ukuthi there's a hint yoba kukho iproject eso kumele niyilindele.
Okay.
Free Zombie Pack bendivula izikhiya andisho izombie valelekile andethu, so ifuna uphuma izombie kula cage kuyo. So that's why i-Free Zombie Pack benizama uvulela ntoni
no,
izombie, yabo, but ivulelwa intoni izombie ngabantu guys. Nine nivula ndinika isikhiya nivulela mna uba ndivele kuni, yabo. So it was it was named Free Zombie Pack because by that time bendivalelekile mfethu. I couldn't be able to, you know, upload my stuff and all that because I had a lot on my plate. So kwenzeka by grace of God and my ancestors, and break her free. But before breaking free, I had to move back. Ndibaxelela ukuthi ikhona into ibinibambile, whereby ndadrop i-Free Zombie Pack. Izombie savalelekile la, so ngicela ni-free out iphume kula cage kuyo ukwenzela ke ngoku izoqwenga wonke umrapho lapha.
Yeah, it actually reminds me of le track iske sayishaya sinini where bewudisallout le intwana le.
Oh yeah, man, yo, that was crazy. Yo,
Iyabhora man hip hop yasekasi nowadays.
yeah,
Iyabhora mfethu.
yeah.
That is why nigcina senikhupha ama track wokudisana and all of that, because what we knew back in the days we understood hip hop ngokuthi it's a culture.
Yeah.
Hip hop is a lifestyle, yabona.
Yeah.
Kufana na when a person is going to tell you ukuthi mina mfethu ngiyipantsula,
Yeah.
yabo, you know that person represents culture.
Yeah.
And under leyo nto leyo kune lifestyle, under leyo lifestyle leyo there's indlela yokubehave, there's zonke izinto ezi that represent i-culture. Same applies with the hip hop. Iyabhora man, iyabhora, because it gets to a point where you get to question umjita othi uyi artist ku hip hop. You get to a point where so you differentiate between a hip hop artist kunye nomrapper. Yabo? Because even a hip hop artist bazibiza umrapper. Yet this person, when you are listening to these people, akunama lines angako, yet kunama punchlines. Yabo? And then nebeat into to actually make it bangaba makbe hip hop. But then when it comes to actually delivering a message, I'm fair to go work or go swag or any perform ngenxeba guys, come on. And isafuna ukubhala or what? Like if ever there's anything any discourage ayo, ntoni?
Okay, that's a good question. MK, yazi ukuthi hip hop was born estates ne,
Sure.
before coming to SA.
Yeah, akusiye yethu.
Ithe xa ifika ne yafikele Cape Town. Cape Town is the mother city because ne hip hop izalelwe eCape Town. If ndiyaxoka wena obukele ungiqele, I've been through here, like I've been here for a while, man. So I know ukuthi hip hop iqale kanjani lapha eMzansi.
Yeah.
Kukho le hip hop le trap nabo what. Awo le hip hop ye trap nezinye. I listen to abantu abayenza perfect or abatrya ukuyenza perfect because ayikho into ekuthiwa i-perfect ne.
Perfect.
Yeah, abazama ukuyenza perfect. Those are those and the relator kubo ne, which is abo MT is doing trap, yabo. But MT I can't say he's a rapper, he's a hip hop, like with those bars and all that, metaphors, similes, storytelling. You can do a storytelling through i-trap. So ndifuna ubreaka down le nto itshoyo. I'm not disputing whatever you are saying.
I'm
ne?
saying, okay.
Yeah, because you are a consumer, and also I'm a rapper as well. I'm a consumer. I-hip hop ndiyibonile itshintshile bra. And uNas watsho wathi hip hop is dead. People, they ask questions. Why is this nigga saying this and all that? Hip hop is dead. Hip hop is dead, man.
Sure.
Yeah, that's why kuzalwe i-crunk, kwazalwa i-trap. Yabo, i-hip hop wasn't about i-style saboma crunk naboma what. Hip hop esasiyazi thina was a storytelling type of hip hop, whereby you get abantu abanjengoba Tupac, yabo Biggie. The list is endless, man. Yeah, abazokuxelela nge-street life yabo. So ke ngoku kwenzeka, those people, I think they got paid and all that, the recognition and all that. So now they move from where they are to a new chapter. So that new chapter, that's where abo crunk nabo trap bavela khona.
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
if bakusaphila abo Tupac wouldn't like this mumble rap. Now bekusokunokushaywa
I wanna ask.
then
Hey.
ashaya platinum lo mntu lo.
Yeah.
That's
man.
not hip hop, man. I-rap, i-hip hop, it's almost similar, but ndingathi i-core ndingathini, andazi noba ndingayibiza kanjani, kodwa i-hip hop, raw hip hop, hardcore hip hop zibelonga kwi-hip hop. Then rhythm and poetry, which is rap, is whereby you can rap. I can go hip hop, you go like street rap, but man, that lifestyle, I don't want to dwell much on that. I want improvement. I want to evolve. So hence ndiye ndashaya ndingo-rap zombie. I-rap ndiyamazi umele ntoni, rhythm and poetry, but hip hop is like a mother of zonke ezi ezizaliweyo, abo trap, abo crunk, abo hip hop le izala zonke ezi. I-rap mna ndishaya i-rap because my beats is not that hardcore hip hop, and uyayazi ama-beat we-hip hop raw hip hop, they are not nice. They only got a boost from what you are saying and how you put it out there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's hip hop. But if you're gonna say rap, you can do your melodies, you can do your style, ne beat like yeah, that's rap, yabo.
Sure,
You're
sure.
rapping nice and stuff. So hip hop, dingathi nje yona like izala zonke izinto, mara abanye abantu they won't listen to rap because we've got underground cats, they doing rap, but they are not commercial. So commercial hip hop, which is rap, but underground hip hop is hip hop, hardcore, all that, yabo. Bashana amabhithi angakho convincing kwabanye abantu, iyandirasela lento, mara mawuthi ayimamela okanye you smoke one or two, you can hear ukuthi hey, this guy is hardcore and is doing, is sending a good message, yabona, ebantwini, is alerting abantu of abanye ngama-poet, ama-prophet, ngaba-prophet abanye abantu abashaya hip hop. They can tell you ukuthi in 2027 2029 kokwenzeka into eso, boom, mawufika ku-2020 bani nansi
senzeka. Yeah, ne.
Yeah.
Do you think you mentioned ukuthi siya evolve singabantu, especially ku music, uk-evolve or ukutshintsha kwamaxesha or i-revolution nje on its own, how do you think has affected music, yabo.
Mm.
Because remember, back in the days we understood the hip hop ngela xesha labo Tupac, labo Biggie, in yabo. It was all about street gangs, street lifestyle mfethu. Ezakwale zasestradeni
Yebo.
where ufuna unpack something and then uyazi ukuthi uzoyikhiphela engomeni. Mawunekwali nomuntu ufuna ukuprove a point or something uzoyikhiphela engomeni and all of that. Yabona? Now seyichangeile hip hop because of le evolution othetha ngayo. Seyichangeile hip hop. People now are doing love songs and then bawayenza hip hop. Yabo, of which that's not how we knew hip hop sisakhula. We knew hip hop as their lifestyle yama gangster in yabona, because if ever you hear of a person kuthiwa a gangster, I tell you, you'd never think ukuthi that person umamela music, umamela R&B or umamela blues or umamela ntoni. We would immediately align that person with the hip hop because nguwo music that caters with their lifestyle there.
Yeah.
Up until ya change okay hip hop yabanga love songs no yonke lonto leyo, like noma umamelela amajita asha hip hop, no, it's always umjolo more than leya kwali that we knew, leya conflict that we knew bangaba okay, you know what, ayiphelele engomeni mfethu, i-frustrations zakho ngontanga zikhiphele engomeni kanjalo. That's what we knew about hip hop.
Yeah.
But yashintsha mfethu.
Speaking-
So
okay.
how has it affected i-industry nje, especially your music as a whole, indaba yama evolution nama revolution, ukuchinja kwenkathi, ama trend, yabona? Yeah.
Speaking of which, my nigga, you are correct. Kunamajita ne, they're doing their own style, then they call it hip hop.
Sure.
But thina njengoba usitsha si understand as hip hop. That's why ndithi uNas, he said hip hop is dead. Abanye abantu they ask questions and all that, they go through ama newspaper back in the days wakungekho ne social media, they talk some crap about, you know, the OG. Abonas, they paved the way. Hence I'm saying that was hip hop. Yabo, manje they talking, okay, you can do love song through hip hop, real hip hop ne.
Yeah.
But these days they doing it the other way, which is if you've got a certain beat, they want you to go ulandele beat. Yabona mna what I do a beat. I don't care ukuthi el beat xa ulimamela likunika ama emotions kanjani. It's all about me. So abantu abadala bazofika kum bathi no, el beat li beat li type of a beat also. It is zombie, that's hip hop.
Yeah.
This zombie got nominated. Shout out to Music and Media Awards.
Yeah. Okay.
Music, Arts and Media Awards. Yeah, Mama Awards. I got nominated nge hip hop. Yabo. Hip hop yakhona. It's the beat can tell you this is what you must sound like. I beat mna, I only listen to a beat lintshela ukuthi you must do hip hop or you must do this type of new age hip hop, but I don't lose the essence of hip hop.
Okay.
The essence of hip hop are within me. Even if you can give me a different type of a beat, the new age type of a beat, the trap type of a beat, mna, if the beat don't go with or don't align with my feelings or my, you know, I do things different, man. I praise God and also I praise abantu abadala to give me the concept. I don't write songs based on high beat in. If a beat can go trap beat, you can hear, okay, this is trap beat. Now I can do hip hop through that trap beat and make a smash hit. Yabo. Why am I saying this? Because zikhona ingoma ezinjalo pha kulama project esendwakhuphile.
Yeah.
Yabo. So I can do hip hop. I can do rock type of hip hop because I've got a number enjalo. I can do ingoma engathi nokucula nyana melodic type of hip hop.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
still I remain me. I don't change ndibe ngomnye umuntu because of I want to align that with that certain beat.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm always me. I always remain me in whatever circumstance. Even if you can give, for instance, Unas a trap beat, Unas is gonna do into ayenzayo. Hayi ukuthi la trap beat must determine who on or how must this guy sound. No.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's hip hop. If you as an artist, you are this type of a nigga. I'm doing rap hip hop. I do rap because of my beats, but I'm a hip hop nigga. I'm a hip hop head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ne.
So I think khona something abantu abayi confuse alonto ukuthi whenever you hop in a certain beat, if it's trap nigga, we can tell you are trap. If you are trapping, you are trapping. But if you are rapping, you are in a trap beat, you are rapping. We can tell that, oh, this nigga is rapping. This nigga is rapping while he's having a trap beat. They are eldlalai. I'm told.
Sure.
Yeah.
We're actually getting to know you. I know asasebhaya ama-podcasts esizoku-invite kuwo, where we will dive deep into iSpanish.
Thank God.
And then sipromote nama-albums
Wow,
ozobe wakhuphile
man.
ngeso sikhathi all our projects lawo. Yabo. For
Respect.
now, I just want everyone who's actually listening to you or watching Ngoku to actually have a clue kahle ukuba ngabe i-rap zombie ubani. Yabo.
Yeah.
In a way yokuthi I know you've got obviously beat usaspana phezu kwalo no. Yabo.
Yeah, man, I'm always working.
Beat
You know
usaspana
me.
phezu kwalo. And you are a rap artist. I'm a rap artist. They always have something about freestyle and stuff. I don't
Yeah.
even have to give you maybe 3 words or 4 words to say
Yeah.
freestyling ngala magama la. No, I just want people that are watching to get to know you and bakuve ngendlela yakho. That's why I don't want to say I'm going to give you a beat or in. No. I want you to either ubekileda uyigibele or ukhumba umgodi and then uziphosele ngaphakathi on your own. I want yonke lento leyo to take place kube you are the one that was
Like what is it?
I want you
Lead role.
yeah I want you kuba ngaba I want you kuba ngaba freestyle ne.
Okay.
But I'm saying this thing le ngalendlela le because you know sometimes unokubhayizisa abantu ngokubanikeza ama beats that are not style sabo and ufuna bangaba ba freestyle and stuff yabo.
Okay.
CMK askaka kucavi sure
Yeah.
of which this is going to be the platform where we're actually going to learn ukuthi under hip hop or under a rap istyle sezombi kahle sesiphi, so that next time when we're having you guys for our sessions where you're going to be freestyling and stuff,
Wow.
we then know ukuthi when we're inviting artists, so this is the type of instrumental that we should be playing and all of that, yabo, because we do not want to show ukuthi you guys are nescavi sponsoring and all of that. We want to promote, we want to dig out anything good and perfect about you hip hop and then see expose. Yeah.
Danko.
So let's take a short break. Masesibuye kule break le. I'm not gonna say anything. It's gonna be you ozobe usiwelcome with this track ozobe freestyle kuyo, and then after the track I'm just gonna close the show nje kuphela. I'm just gonna close the show nje kuphela yabo.
You don't want any a cappella?
We can actually start with the a cappella before the break. Mara masesibuye breaking. That is if you are prepared.
Yeah.
Ungasidlalela ne beat.
Yeah.
Then we can take it with the beat. But a cappella will still work as well.
Okay. Check it. Asithi ha ha ha. Tala ngibona ukuthi nyapapaya. Wanda is so hungry tina spanda lama papaya. Tago ifame unrepa ngathi niphetwe ipapalas. Nagindaba zakho ngazospora njenge paparazzi stinking attitude ngamagama ngizonhlambalas. Flow ngathi ngiyaphala the whole body ngayikhathaza. Njenge althephelelwe spana hola nguyacabanga. Khokha njani imali rent baxosha you can't survive. Oh God, I wonder why my album will be number 1. Vele ngidrophi verse ngishiya umrapper ethandaza I'm fly like a witch when I spit ndiyabathakatha.
Rap zombie. Okay. I get there, but a cappella yahlala intoma ne.
Okay.
Yahlala intoma a cappella because akuna anything that's actually guiding and disciplining you in a way that une freedom go a cappella.
Yeah.
If ufuna ukuphuma ku tempo, that's up to you
Yeah.
because ushaya a cappella.
Yeah.
Yabo? If ufuna ukusticka ku tempo, that's still up to you because ushaya a cappella. But when there's a beat, I know there's no way when there's a beat uzophuma jive.
Okay.
When
I
will
take
actually
the challenge.
get to
man.
know, but kahle lo mrapper lo. Okay. Because zikhona ezizithi mazi rapper. Ishiya beat indoda. And then along the way ilikhangela and then ibuye
Iphinde,
ibamba. Yeah.
mfethu.
But then lama seconds ushiye ngawe beat. That's why you've confused us.
Awusekho convincing
Awusekho
manje.
convincing
Because
kanjalo.
ngokuhambile wayale waphindwa abuye.
Yabo.
Thina besikushiye besizixelela ukuthi ulapha kanti sowule.
Sewule. Yeah man.
mfethu.
That's really
Mawuso
bad.
ubuya ngoku sesidinekile ngoku cause uhambile washiya.
Okay, no, masilungisa beat damn. Silungisa beat.
Blessed.